Hi and welcome to Tableau 101. Today I want to show you how you can add the all filter into a parameter. So for whatever reason you want to use a parameter to filter and you struggle to add the all filter is, for example, what you can do is you can create a parameter that is the category parameter. We then want an option for all, because we want to be able to filter for each of the values, but also for all. I'm going to put that on top. We hit OK. We then can create a calculation where we say category parameter is equal the category, or category parameter is equal to all. Right? So then we call this category filter. We can add this in here, set it to be true, and then display the category drop down. So now we only look at furniture, office supplies, and all. I hope this helps you with your Tableau journey. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe.